Okay. Let's see the 21st chapter, book inside one more question. So first one, it is one of the definition. Abuse means it is refers to the cruel, violent, harmful or injurious treatment to the another human beings, that is referred as abuse. So many types of abuses are there, right? Child abuse, sexual abuse, like that many abuses are there. Then next, second question. It dash is the form of power and dominance of one person over another. Sexual harassment. Third one, dash is refers to the inappropriate or forced sexual contact, that is sexual abuse. So it is one of the definition also. Sexual abuse means it is the inappropriate or forced sexual contact. Dash abuse is more common at workplaces, that is sexual abuse. Dash are considered soft target for sexual abuse, children. Then dash provides the social workers who can assist the child by providing food, shelter and protection, child helpline. Next, a child victim of sexual offences should receive medical care and treatment from healthcare professionals to overcome the mental stress and depression. The National Commission for Protecting Child Rights was set up in March 2007. So March 2007, National Commission, they have raised one act, that is child rights, child protection rights. The next, protection of all children of all age group up to dash years of age is equal importance, 18 years. Then the physical and mental dependency on alcohol, smoking or drug is called addiction. So the dependency on one particular thing is called addiction. Then addictive potential of substances pulls an individual into a dash cycle, vicious cycle. A person who is habituated to a drug due to its prolonged use, that is drug addict. One person long time they are taking drug means that is drug addict. A drug that modifies physical, biological, psychological or social behavior of a person is called addictive drug. One particular drug is mentally affecting that particular people or biologically affecting the particular people. Now that drug is called addictive drug. The International Day Against Drug Abuse or Illicit Trafficking is on June 26. Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act was introduced in 1985. Dash drugs interact with the central nervous system and affect an individual. Addictive drugs. So generally addictive drugs are directly affecting the brain, central nervous system. Then drugs which act on brain and alter the behavior are called psychotropic drugs. It is one of the book back 2 mark question. Psychotropic drug means that drug act on brain and altering the behavior, that is called a psychotropic drug, otherwise called what? Mood altering drug. Then psychotropic drugs are referred as dash drugs, mood altering drugs. Then addiction to the tobacco is due to dash and alkaloid present in it. Nicotine. So tobacco drug or the alkaloid or the name and nicotine. Then inhaling tobacco smoke from cigars, cigarettes, BDs, pipes, hookah is called smoking. Then dash is a powder formed chewed with the pan. Tobacco. When powdered tobacco is taken through nose is called snuffing. Through nose, some people are taking tobacco. So that is called snuffing. Dash and dash present in tobacco smoke in carcinogenic causing lung cancer. So it is actually one of the book inside question. So 6 or 7 points are there. Smoking hazards. Right? Smoking hazards and effects of tobacco. One of the important 4-mark question. One of the point, this one is benzopyrene, polycyclic and hydrocarbons are present in the tobacco smoke and causing lung cancer. They are carcinogenic agents. Carcinogenic agents means what? Cancer. They can cause cancer. Then tobacco causes inflammation of throat and bronchi, leading to the condition like bronchitis and pulmonary tuberculosis. Dash tobacco smoke bind to hemoglobin of RBC and decreases its oxygen carrying capacity. So we know that in blood RBC only carrying the oxygen, correct? So the carbon monoxide directly affecting the RBC and it is decreasing the oxygen holding capacity. The carbon monoxide RBC affect பண்ணி அதோட oxygen carry பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு போற capacity என்ன பண்ணும் decrease பண்ணும். So that is called carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide gas ஓட வேலை என்ன அப்படினா அந்த சிகரெட்ல இருந்து வரக்கூடிய ஸ்மோக்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய carbon monoxide ஓட வேலை RBC affect பண்ணி RBC ஓட oxygen binding capacity என்ன பண்ணும் reduce பண்ணும். The next one, tobacco chewing causes dash cancer. That we know, oral cancer. Anti-Tobacco Act was passed on May 1st, 2004. Then the dependence of alcohol is called alcoholism. One particular person is depending on alcohol, that is called alcoholism. Then dash abuse causes lack of coordination of body organs. Alcohol. So it is directly affecting the central nervous system. Liver damage resulting in the fatty liver, which leads to dash and formation of fibrous tissues. Cirrhosis. Cirrhosis means what? What is meant by cirrhosis? Liver damage, liver cells damage cirrhosis. Then diabetes mellitus is a dash disorder, chronic metabolic disorder. The type 1 diabetes mellitus is caused by the destruction of beta cells in pancreas. So what is the role of beta cells? Production of insulin. Then type 2 diabetes mellitus is also called as adult onset diabetes mellitus. Dash sugars should be avoided by a diabetic. Refined sugars. Then dash plays an important role in facilitating a good control of diabetes. Exercise. Dash is a state in which there is an accumulation of excess body fat with an abnormal increase in body weight. Obesity means abnormal increase in body weight is called obesity. Then an adult weighing dash more than the standard weight is overweight and 20% more in obese. 10%. An adult weighing more than dash of the standard weight is 20% obese. Dash for weight reduction is safe and most effective. Calorie restriction. So weight loss பண்ணா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? அதிகமா சாப்பிடாம என்ன பண்ணணும்? சாப்பிடுறத கொஞ்சம் கம்மி பண்ணணும். Which means food எடுத்துக்கணும். But என்ன பண்ணக்கூடாது? அதிகமா food எடுத்துக்கூடாது. Balanced diet இருக்கணும். That is calorie restriction. A low calorie diet accompanied by moderate exercise will be effective in causing weight loss. Dash disease is associated with the disease of the heart and blood vessels. Cardiovascular disease. What is the expansion of CHD? Coronary heart diseases. CVD means cardiovascular diseases. Dash diseases is caused by the deposition of cholesterol in blood vessels. Coronary heart diseases. The narrowing of blood vessels in the heart leads to atherosclerosis. The desirable level of blood cholesterol should be less than dash for Indians. எவ்வளவு இருக்கணும்? 200 mg per dl. The risk of coronary heart diseases increasing as the blood cholesterol level increases from dash mg per dl. 200 to 300 mg per dl. Dash or dash cholesterol, lower risk of heart diseases. HDL, otherwise called good cholesterol. So it is lower risk only. But that bad cholesterol is there, right? LDL, that is, it will cause some risk. It will cause heart diseases. Okay. So LDL or bad cholesterol increases the risk of heart diseases. Dash is the deficient blood supply to the heart muscles. Ischemia. Dash is the death of heart muscle tissue. Myocardial infarction. So heart muscles ஒழுங்கா ஒர்க் ஆகல அப்படின்னா so in ஒழுங்கா ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆகல அப்படின்னா அதான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம் myocardial infarction. Dash is the most common type of cancer which affects children below 15 years of age. Leukemia. Leukemia means what? Blood cancer. So the study of cancer is called oncology. Study of cancer is called oncology. Cancer is an abnormal and uncontrolled division of cells that invade and destroy surrounding tissue, forming a tumor or neoplasm. Tumor, otherwise called neoplasm. Carcinomas arise from the epithelial and dash tissues, glandular tissues. So glandular tissues லையும் எதுல வரலாம் எது வரலாம் carcinomas வரலாம் carcinoma வரலாம் இல்ல அப்படினா இதுலயும் வரும் epithelial tissues ல carcinoma வரும். Then about 85% of tumors are carcinomas. Dash or occurs in the connective and muscular tissues. Sarcoma will occur in connective tissue and muscular tissue. Benign of dash tumors remain confined in the organ affected and do not spread to the other parts of the body. Which type of tumors? Non-malignant tumors. So non-malignant tumors என்ன ஆகாது இன்னொரு பார்ட்ஸ் போய் அஃபெக்ட் பண்ணாது ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகாது. The next, dash tumors grow very rapidly and invade and damaging the surrounding normal tissues. That is called malignant tumor. So malignant tumor என்ன பண்ணும் பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற tissues and cells affect பண்ணும். But non-malignant tumor என்ன பண்ணாது surrounding tissues affect பண்ணாது. Then dash characterized by the increase in the formation of white blood cells in bone marrow and lymph nodes. So that is leukemia. Then leukemia are also called blood cancer. Then cancer causing agents are called carcinogens. So it may be a chemical or it may be a physical agent or it may be a biological agent. எப்படி வேணா இருக்கலாம். So the agent which are causing the cancer, that is called carcinogens. The metal and tobacco chewing causes dash cancer, oral cancer. Excessive exposure of sunlight may cause dash cancer, skin cancer. Then cancer causing viruses are called oncogenic viruses. That's why I said maybe ஒரு physical character physical thingala cancer வரலாம் இல்ல ஒரு biological thingala cancer வரலாம் இல்ல ஒரு chemical thingala ஒரு things ஆல கூட என்ன வரலாம் cancer வரலாம். So oncogenic virus அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு type of virus. அந்த virus கூட என்ன பண்ணலாம் it can induce the cancer. Then tumor cells are irradiated by the lethal doses of radiation. Dash involves administration and anti-cancerous drugs which prevent cell division. Chemotherapy involves administration of anti-cancerous drugs which can prevent the cell division. So cancer cells வந்து சீக்கிரமா மல்டிப்ளை ஆகாம இருக்கிறதுக்காக they will do what? Chemotherapy. So அது என்ன பண்ணும் போய் என்ன பண்ணும் அந்த பர்టిక్యులர் கேன்சர்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணும் அஃபெக்ட் பண்ணி கில் பண்ணிடும் சோ என்ன ஆகாது பெருசா டிவைட் ஆகாது the next the migration of cancer cells to distant part of the body is called metastasis so it is also one of the book back 2 mark question to prevent tobacco smoking must be avoided lung cancer then AIDS is a severe viral disease and caused by which virus? Human immunodeficiency virus. Then the presence of HIV virus can be confirmed by dash analysis. Western blot. So Western blot அப்படினு ஒரு டெக்னிக் இருக்கு. So medical field ல so அந்த டெக்னிக்கை யூஸ் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? blood sample எடுக்கறாங்கன்னா அந்த blood sampleல HIV virus இருக்கா இல்லையா அப்படிங்கறத என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க கண்டுபிடிப்பாங்க. Then dash drugs and immune stimulative therapy can prolong the life of a person affected by AIDS, that is antiretroviral drugs. So antiretroviral drugs குடுக்கறனால நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியும் அவங்களோட லைஃப் டைம் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணலாமே தவிர நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியாது அந்த டிசீஸை கம்ப்ளீட்டா என்ன பண்ண முடியாது கியூர் பண்ண முடியாது நம்மளால அவங்களோட லைஃப் டைம் என்ன பண்ணலாம் ப்ரொலாங் பண்ணலாம்